How to create or register KakaoTalk account. If you want to create or register KakaoTalk account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your KakaoTalk application. Make sure that you've installed the application. Now, once you've installed, you need to open or launch the application. Once you've launched, if you want to create or register account on KakaoTalk, then you need to go with the sign up section. Tap on sign up and then agree to all the terms and conditions below, which is you must be at least 14 years old, and then required terms and conditions, you need to meet them. And all of the other options right here, go with agree and continue, which will be on the bottom. Now tap on OK and then allow. Once you do that, tap on OK again. And it says that you will receive a verification code to this phone number. So in order to change your phone number, you can tap on cancel below. But if it's correct, you need to go with OK. Now tap on send verification message. Wait for some time and the system will automatically process your verification. After that, you should receive a code on your phone. And once you enter that code, your KakaoTalk account will be fully created. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.